Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: string slicing with step value. So first of all, what are strings in Python programming? So string is a collection of any characters. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. For example, hello in single quote, and then welcome to Python in double quotes, and we can also use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. So now string provides indexes for each character. Example, ss hello. So here the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is left to right, forward direction, HELLO. Similarly, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So right to left, -1 to -5, and left to right it will be -5 to -1. So we use slice operator, square brackets, to access the characters of a given string. Example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, HELLO. Similarly, SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, HELLO. Now, string slicing means getting required characters from a string using its indexes and slice operator. So the syntax goes like this: SS of slice operator, starting index, ending index, and step value. And here end index character is not taken, or it is not included. For example, we will do step value positive, which is forward slicing. Okay, if we take SS of 0, 5, it will take the characters 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and default step value is +1, +1, +1. Similarly, 0, 5, 2, it will take only characters 0, 2, 4. So step value is 2 here. Okay, next, SS of -5 to -1, so it will take -5, -4, -3, -2 characters, and here also default step value is +1. So now we can do it like this: SS of -5, 0, 2. So step value is 2. So -5 plus 2. Okay. -3, step value is +2. -1 characters will be taken into consideration. Now we can also give negative step value. It will do backward slicing. Okay. For example, SS of 4, 0, -1. So actually 4, 0, okay, it is in backward direction. So what happens here? 4, 3, 2, 1 characters will be taken into consideration. 0 is not included. Similarly, 4, 0, -2. So it will take 4, 2, 0 is not included. So step value is -2. Backward slicing. Okay. -1, -5. Okay. So step value is -1. So it will take -1, -2, okay, -3, -4. -5 is not included. So similarly, -1, -5, step value is -2. So -1, step value is -2, backward direction. So it will go to -3. It will take only 2 characters. -5 not included. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm taking SS hello. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll write it here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. These are the indexes. Okay, HELLO. So 0, 5. So it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you will get HELLO. So save this program, come to the prompt where you have saved this and run it. Python string slicing step value example 1. HELLO. Next, it goes like this. SS of 0, 5, 2. So 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So it will not add to the index, it will just take the step value in forward direction. So 0, 2, 4. HLO. Next, it is not going to add to the index, it is just a step value, forward or backward. So -5 to -1. So -5, -4, -3, -2. -1 is not included. HELL. Next, it goes like this. SS of -5, -1, 2. So -5, step value is +2, so it will go to 3, -3. Step value is +2, it will go to -1. But -1 is the last index, it is not included. So -5, -3 index characters, which is HL. So next one, so print SS 4, 0, -1. So -1 means backward slicing. So 4 till 0. 0 is not included. So -1 means 4, 3, 2, 1. OLLE. Run it. OLLE. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, 4, 0, -2. 4 till 0. 0 is not included. -2. So 4, 2, 0 is not included. Okay. Right. Only 2 characters. 4, 2 indexed characters, which is OL. So next one, it goes like this. SS -1, -5. -1 is the step value. So -1 to -5 is not included. So step value is -1. So it will take -1, -2, -3, -4. Save it. OLLE. Next, last one. So print SS of -1, -5, -2. So -1, step value is -2. So -1, -3, -5. So -5 is not included because it is the ending index. So it will take only OL. Okay. Now if you want to print reverse of a string, okay, string reverse. So it's very simple here. Print SS of. Okay. We can take something like reverse of a string. So 4. Start from 4. Don't give the ending index. Step value is -1. Okay. So ending index will be automatically 0. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. OLLEH. So we'll also do with negative indexes to print string reverse. -1, -5. Don't give -5, otherwise it is not included. It will become the ending index, same as the previous case 0. directly simply say -1. So it will go in slicing in backward direction, OLLEH. So this is how we are supposed to work with string slicing using indexes and step value. If the step value is positive, it will do forward slicing. If it is negative, it will do backward slicing. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.